Are you trying to delete your payment method on your Netflix account? If you are, then you're watching the right video because I'm going to show you the process of deleting your current payment method and adding in a new one. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Open up a web browser and search for netflix.com and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, from the home screen, just click on the profile icon on the top right and then open up account. From the account section, you will have an option of manage payment info on the right side. Click on this option and it's going to show you the current payment method that you have. Now before you delete this existing payment method, you'll need to add in a new one first, as it says right here. So click on add payment method and choose your payment method, whether it be card or PayPal. Just click on any one of them and add in your details. And once the payment method has been added, you'll have two payment methods. Now next to the older one, you'll also have an option of remove. Click on the remove option right here and your account will be successfully removed or deleted from Netflix. And you can use the new payment method that you've added to make any payments. So that was a real quick and easy video. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to our channel, consider doing so because we upload similar kinds of videos on a regular basis, which are guide videos. That's about it for today's video and I'll be back with more.